Welcome to Godwin Tech. In this tutorial today, I'm going to walk you through on how to turn off notifications in a computer that runs Windows 11 operating system. Sometimes notifications that show up, on apps that are installed on your computer can be disturbing. Okay, sometimes it shows at this side of your taskbar. So if you want to turn it off, follow this my guide and I will walk you through. Okay, the first is to click on the Windows logo key, then click on settings to open a settings page. Alright, this is the settings page. We are on the system major menu, okay, which is here. Then click on notifications. You can see notifications as one of the options here. Click on it. Then look at the notification settings. So turn off this button and you are good to go. So no notification will show up on next taskbar section again once you do that. Okay, I hope this video helps. Please do well to subscribe to my channel by hitting on the subscribe button. Like this video and leave a comment if you want me to cover any video of this type or any video on Windows 11. Thank you and see you next time.